Hello everybody, Dennis Allen, City Boy Homesteader here with the bee farter. That's my buddy Michael. He's gonna go into his bees today and take some honey. Check out the hive, make sure it's doing well. I'm gonna sit here without my bee costume on, because I'm a real man. I bite the bees back. Yeah. It's got the top off. They do love my beard, and it's what freaks me out the most.
This propolis, man, not only is it good for you, but we could replace crazy glue with it.
Come on, girls.
Okay.
Oh, someone just tapped me.
So we do not have a full super up here, that's for sure. They're still thinking about this.
Is that the propolis we smell?
Yeah. Well, no, you're probably smelling a mixture of everything.
Yeah, that's true.
But the propolis is what's sticking. And you can see all that propolis
Oh, yeah, that's all
down there, exactly.
Yep.
And that
Oh,
is
don't bite
the
me.
most
Come on
expensive.
Ah, she stung me. I got one.
It's good for you.
Help me, help me.
It's good for you.
I can't take it. Oh, she's getting in there. She's twisting, pulling out her anus. Oh, do it, girl. Oh, man.
It's good for your tennis elbow.
Oh, yeah. I just wish it was on my elbow.
And also good for breast cancer, but that might translate to other cancers. So.
Oh! All right, took another. Oh, man. Took a video short, and she's still in there. I think she's stuck. Let me flick her.
Did she finish yet?
No.
Dancing.
She's dancing. She's showing off for the camera. Oh, there it is. See the little pumper in there? That's where they get the term pumpernickel. I don't think that's true. All right, one sting. Oh, and there's one on my phone. Oh, she's coming after me. All right, let's try this again. Oh, this is my video shooting hand. So if I'm shaking a little. Try to go in the front, maybe. Got a bunch of yellow jackets too here. Yeah, there are a lot of yellow jackets. You said they.
This year, yeah. I don't know what it is, but.
So this patch of blueberries here is strategically placed so when the bees come out, they take a and go up. This way you can walk through here without getting smacked by bees. Oh, just stung by him. Want me to get the sledgehammer? Wow. They used the Gorilla Glue propolis this year. I'm hiding behind the bush. Dun, 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 dun. See the raspberries? He's got some wild squash here or something that came from one of the blueberry plants. This has been an ongoing war in this household.
I gave up a long time ago. I even asked how the squash were doing last night. Hoping we might get a meal out of it.
All right, round two. I am in their direct line of path, so probably get stung again. Oh, someone hit me. Let's see if I can go back there without getting stung this time. So cool.
51 pounds.
In that?
Yeah, so
51
you got an
pounds?
average of 5 point something pounds of honey per frame. I could inspect it. That's all wax.
Yeah.
And that's your propolis that was keeping this damn thing glued shut. Look at all this.
Wow, yeah.
So, getting that.
The stinger is still pulsating. It's doing that. It's going like this, pumping venom into my body, healing me.
She did it out of love, man.
Yeah, oh yeah.
She was just trying to
Show affection. That's the only way they know how to do it. They're not very good cuddlers, I know that.
Come on, girls.
Scraping off all the honey. I mean, there's honey in there too. The wax and the propolis. This way, if you didn't do it, it would just eventually get to where you couldn't separate them. That's probably why it was so hard to separate them the first time. Oh yeah. No gloves, like a true Lithuanian.
No gloves until I get stung, and then you see me put them on a big herb. Sometimes they just don't care. They kind of sense you there, and you got a purpose, and as long as you're not being an idiot, they don't mess with you.
Yeah. How many bees do you think are in this hive right here you're working on?
It could be really high. Maybe it could be as high as 50,000.
50,000? And do you name them all?
It's definitely over 30,000.
Wow.
Which is a number for a
30,000 bees. That's a very large city. That's the size of State College. Eddie Murphy likes to watch. Taking the other box off. See how hard that one is. That's a smoker. Mm-hmm. Mike always likes to light a candle when he does this. The smoke kind of chills out the bees a little. Well, that's the plan. If he doesn't catch on fire himself.
Heavy.
Honey's heavier than water. So see the entrance right there? And if you come here, oh, that was easy.
I need that scale back on the concrete. 2 feet if you can.
It's on.
What we got?
263. Oh, you gotta lose some weight, buddy. He's doing math.
16.
Just Eddie Murphy. Eddie.
That's 80 pounds of honey right there.
80 pounds of honey. And I think Darius, the Lithuanian from Oh Honey, sells it for. What's he selling it for?
20 bucks a
20 bucks a pound?
something like that.
Ooh-wee. Someone do the math on that bad boy. Liquid gold, they call this. I don't think they do. That's what I just called it. Anymore? There we go. Anybody see the queen? This one. Oh, there we go. There's the good stuff. Oh yeah. Liquid gold, folks. Fresh out of the spigot.
Farm kind of thing.
He got his first thing in the hand. Not a good spot.
These gloves don't fit.
Third box, look at all that honey.
You know what it is too, you get down in that brood box and they get a little more defensive.
That's so fascinating.
Come back with me. Oh.
Oops.
Honey.
Say it again. What are you doing?
Well, we want to see the overall health of the hive. I mean, one way you could look at it is, you know, if there's a queen and the hive is doing okay, you just do the honey on a basic mathematical calculation and leave them enough and take what's extra. But we haven't inspected them in a while, and it's a little bit late, but it's been a heat wave. So you're just checking on them before overwintering. Say they didn't have a queen or something, then we'd have to do some radical shit and combine them with some of these other hives. But just that knowing where they're at before yanking all the honey.
Smart, smart. Good keeper of the bees. Doing it right. That's why we don't like those flow hives that promote people just get a hive and just not maintain it or inspect it or give your bees living. Those frames are really in there. So watch when he puts the smoke on there. They all run inside. Watch this. See all the bees over there? And they run inside. They sense that there's some kind of danger, so they want to go in. And they're smart enough to know that smoke's not going to be a predator, so they don't attack. They just become a little docile. It's like putting fluoride in the water, but it doesn't kill them. Here we go. See what we got in that bad boy.
Come on, girls.
So cool. Oh, I think one's on my finger.
Here we got little brood. Some nectar. You got some fresh laid ones that are uncapped, bottom left. And you see all that multicolored nectar there, or I should say pollen. And then much more pollen there. Some more eggs, a little bit of nectar in the wet looking spots. They look good. Let's see what else. Style gloves, and just so you know, they can definitely sting through them.
Oh! Don't do it.
First order. Pollen and eggs.
They're tapping you.
Always looking for a queen. Definitely see she's laying. But hey, you know what? Can we go get my pipe tool? Good.
Opening up and what are you doing? Opening up a cell?
So yeah, I was checking a cell because the eggs all, the larvae all look good, but sometimes you want to. I saw a dry one with a hole poked in it, and you can have a thing called foul brood. I was just double checking that we didn't have any of that.
They're getting a little upset. You got an apple.
You'll like this, Meg.
Little babies?
Yeah, all that cat brood is good stuff.
If anybody spots a queen on the YouTube video, comment below and we will send you a pound of honey.
Right.
I'm hiding behind a raspberry bush. Oh no, this is blueberry. This one's raspberry, see? Raspberries
May, you right there?
free.
Alright, so
Where's this guy? Oh yeah. I should put some honey on it.
I've just inspected the bottom.
Excuse me, lady.
And you know,
Don't
lay
scare
on
me.
some frames, some spotty brood on others, but it's weird because they got the two entrances. I expect there'd be more.
Yeah, I'd get upset with you too. Go to my house and rip it apart my walls.
That's not how I see it. I'm smoking myself.
I'm smoking myself too. So here's a little tip. If they start, before they sting you, they usually will tap you to fly into you like that. A couple warning shots. Because the bees do die once they sting you. As you saw on that girl, she ripped her stinger out. That takes some of the guts out. I bet you some people on the YouTube comments will be very upset. For some reason, people like to be upset. People got upset. Oh, people got upset about Eddie Murphy eating the squirrel and the groundhog. Oh, yep, she didn't like that. Putting them back in now. Also challenge. Gotta do it nice and slow so you don't crush anybody. Oh, they're getting mad at me. I think I'm too close to the other hive. Do the for the viewers.
Yeah, so I think they're gonna calm down a lot when I put this other hive body on.
Look at him.
The one with another entrance to it.
They call him Big Beard. I'm Little Beard.
I think yours is bigger.
Well, it's not the size.
And I go excessive there because I'm trying not to kill him when I put another hive body back on.
Smart.
Is this thing opening?
There we go. So if somebody was trying to attack me, but maybe just got my shirt. Oh, I broke my chain. How cool is that? I could watch these ladies all day. And if they don't like it, they'll just sting me. Say get away. So a queen would be, you know, bee-sized queen with a really long butt. A queen, oh that might, oh boy. I'm doing this now because I've been told before that the beards remind them of a bear, which is a natural predator. So they see somebody that looks like a bear, they will kill you. Real quick story, the difference between these guys and say those really aggressive African bees that they have spreading the country. I saw a hive up in the mountains. It's a petroglyph site, and I literally like maybe got from here to that tree to the hive and they just started swarming at me. So you can see these guys are pretty cool. They shake their hand. But yeah, those, I guess they're called killer bees, but that would suck if the whole swarm came after me. You see the queen, or?
I'm not certain of that, but I'm just seeing a whole lot more brood. It's late in the day. I'm not going to try and find her. I'm just going to close them up. And I know what I need to know.
Knowing's half the battle. G.I. Joe, real American hero. Sorry. That one's stinging. Trying to sting me. But joke's on you, sister. Joke's on you. You buy my t-shirt. Like Colt Club. Come on, lady.
Hey, they look pretty amazing. Good. Yeah, this hive body where they got that extra entrance is just.
I don't know what to do. If I kick her off, she's gonna come out and hit me in the face. I don't want to kill her. She's gonna probably fly. Oh, don't go in my armpit. Oh. No, oh. No.
Come inside.
Oh, there's son of a bee. Got another one on my forearm. That's the first one. Got another little bite. Just a quickie. Yeah, we were staying back a little. They're very upset now. Oh, wow. Alright, back over there. Hope I don't get stung. Nice. Wow, so there's an injured bee right there in the yellow jackets. I guess trying to get his honey. Look at it. Oh boy. Couple fun bee facts. A queen bee will take off once in her lifetime, fly really, really high with a bunch of males. Not many males in these. They all go up there. They all have sexy time. They all load up inside of her. And she's set for life with all the fertilized eggs she's ever going to need. Also, the way they communicate on how to find where the flowers are and the water sources is they do little figure 8 patterns and flap their wings, and somehow that's how they communicate. Go 3 miles that way, make a right, and that's where you'll find the goodies. What? That's all brood?
Incredibly full frame of brood up here in the third hive body. Dude, there's a lot of bees in here. Wow.
That's the nursery. So if you notice, a lot less bees in there. And that's because what they're gonna do is notice that the queen's not home or with him, and they're gonna fly back to where the queen is. So that box definitely doesn't have a queen in it, or they'd be full of bees. That's what they do when they swarm. The scouting bees will find a place, they'll come back, tell the queen will go up to that branch, and then everybody else will just pile around her. And what they do, they're very docile when they swarm, because they fill up with honey and pretty much whatever they could keep in themselves, and they'll go up there, and then you could just cut the branch and take the whole stick and put it in a box, and that's how you catch a swarm. The brood, like he just showed you, there will be a bunch of mother bees, and they will stay around in the hive to take care of the babies. Holy cows. They're upset.
Yeah, there's a lot of bees.
Yeah.
They're also all thinking about coming home too at this time of day.
Yeah. Not a good time to inspect hives.
It's not that bad. I stay until they start lighting me up.
Well, you got the funny outfit on, so. There's one of the girls. See, they're pretty nice when you don't piss them off. She's doing her hair.
Not pissed off. I think they're just all getting home.
I'm a little curious why they're all clumping right there. Don't do it. There's a little girl right there. Oh, there's one on my neck.
This is what I was saying before. By extracting one uncapped honey frame for every 3 capped frames, you can help maintain the overall moisture content below the level where fermentation occurs.
Well, we've got uncapped honey in there.
Say that again?
I just want them off the perimeter because I got to put weight on that right now.
Oh yeah.
So then
Watch
boom,
this.
boom, boom.
Oh.
Now I gotta go quick.
They're keeping the big one, giving these 2 back full of honey so they could overwinter and have, oh boy, have enough food to survive the cold Jersey City winters. Oh, they're tapping me. They're very upset. Good night, sweet bees. That's it. Got the top on. We got, oh, you're keeping 2.
No, this one's empty. They never really filled it.
Oh.
Yep.
So that's the box they're keeping. That one's empty. It's gonna take
Hey,
each.
do me a favor, go get me that little bucket of propolis.
Yep. Propolis.
Thank you. Active here soon.
See if we can get it out. Slow process.
Let's see if it's. It's ripping.
Look at that. There it is. Whoa. Wow. Honey. That's a lot of honey. Wow.
You get it.
You can see my sting still in there, a little swollen, not too bad. Oh boy, it's trouble. There's a lot of bees around this right now. They're upset. Not at me, but at him. But they don't know the difference because I got a beard. Those are all the hives that he took. I mean, whatever you call them. There's the bee. She made it in. Hope she doesn't bite us or sting us. And this is the final product. A little jar of honey. Local Jersey City honey. Eddie Murphy, you don't like the bees, do you?
That's the last
There's some
one.
in the window.